So remember, this is as much about policies as it is about public and individuals taking that initiative to at least wear a mask. Now, today was a Christmas morning. Festivities were planned, but amid Omicron alarm, the states have witnessed muted Christmas celebrations compared to previous years. Take a look at this on your screens. The different states across the country with limited gatherings, but trying to, of course, keep the cheer high. Some churches even wore a comparatively less crowded look in Delhi. People did gather for a midnight mass, especially in central Delhi. Special events and DJ parties have been banned in Karnataka amid the holiday season. Christmas celebrations in Odisha were limited with a maximum of 50 devotees for a mass. Now, of course, even though states tightened curbs, tourists are thronging hill stations in these holiday times, gathering in huge numbers for celebrations. But while what you're looking at is just India, let's look at the visuals coming in globally now from other countries. Celebrations across the world. Jerusalem's Bethlehem also wore a comparatively less crowded look. The Pope delivered his annual sermon at the midnight mass in Vatican.
Such is the scare of the COVID virus that on 25th December, which is Christmas, on the day when Christians really want to go to the churches, they are not allowed to do so. Anyone who wants to seek the blessings of Lord Jesus will now have to come, light a candle at the barricade, seek his blessings and then go back home. I'm standing at the Sacred Heart Cathedral in the national capital and no one is allowed to enter the church. The mass which takes place on Christmas Eve was also banned. That's because the church authorities strongly believe that wherever there'll be mass gatherings, the chances of rising of COVID cases are many-folds. And in the past 24 hours too, the national capital too has been seeing the COVID cases rising rapidly, which is why we are seeing the Christmas and the New Year's party being banned. And the religious authorities too are taking note of what's happening with regards to the new variant, which is why what you see is the statue of Lord Jesus right behind me, and people are coming and lighting the candles on the barricades, seeking the blessings on Christmas and then going back home. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from the national capital with camera person Nasir Khan.
Amidst the festive cheer of Christmas and New Year's, the West Bengal government is keeping an eye on the international flyers with around 3 cases of the Omicron variant being discovered. And as of Friday, 550 new cases have been reported, and the total tally stands at more than 16 lakh cases across West Bengal. Despite that, the West Bengal government has relaxed restrictions as far as the night curfew is concerned in wake of the festive season. And after New Year's, there could be other restrictions in place that the government can think of. As far as the international flyers are concerned, they are being tested, and those who are being tested positive for COVID, their samples are being sent for genome sequencing, and those who are suspected to have COVID, they are being isolated at the moment. With camera person Kiranjit Das, Prema Rajam in Kolkata for India Today.